Notes 4-3, solving equations with variables on both sides. Alright, so last time we solved, you only had variables on one side of the inequality symbol. Today, if you notice, you've got your symbol here, and we're solving, so draw your line. You got your symbol there, and you've got letters on both sides. So we've learned how to do this with an equal sign, but we have not learned how to do it with inequalities. Alright? When I taught you how to do this the first time with an equal sign, and I had variables on both sides, I told you, decide which variable is bigger. Is 4 bigger or is 2 bigger?
4.
4 is bigger. So this is going to be my m side, and this is going to be my number side. So everybody write that. I want to get all the m's to the m side, all the numbers to the other side. Alright, so m to m is on the wrong side. That's an m, and it needs to be on the m side. So how do I move the 2m? Minus 2m. And when I write it on the other side, I need to write it underneath its like term. So 4m is its like term, so I need to write it underneath the 4. Okay? So 4m minus 2m is 2m. And then I'm going to bring down everything else that I haven't used yet. Write this with me. Levi, write this with me. Okay, get m by itself. So from here down, this is what you've been doing. What do I move now? The 3. So I'm going to plus 3. Do the opposite. 2m. Less than 9. Now what? Divide by 2. So n less than what? 9 divided by 2 is what? 4.5. Okay, and it wants us to make the number line. So I'm going to do 4.5. Something bigger is 5. Something smaller is 4. Would this be an open or a closed dot?
Open.
Make sure you're writing with me. Open dot. And then if I rewrite my symbol and turn it to an arrow, I'm going to shade to the left. Not too bad, right? Okay. Number 2. Look at number 2 with me. Draw your line. Okay, number 2's got a few extra steps. What do I start with? Distribute the parentheses. Good. So what number am I going to distribute? The 2. 2 times k is 2k. 2 times negative 3. Negative 6. Good. Less than or equal to. Now, on the other side, what can I do? Combine like terms. So I've got 6 and negative 3. Give me what? 3. Then what? Plus 3k. All right. I've got k's on both sides. Which one is bigger? 2k or 3k?
3k.
So this is going to be my k side. This is going to be my number side. Which k is on the incorrect side? 2k is on the wrong side. So what do I do? Minus 2k. Negative 6, less than or equal to. Bring down the 3, and then 3 minus 2 is 1k. Do I need to write the 1?
No.
No. So I'm just going to write k. Can you write the 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, now what?
Minus 3.
Good. I want to get k by itself, so I got to subtract the 3. So negative 9, less than or equal to k. Now, I'm going to do my number line. My number line. I can't do the number line until everything's written in the correct order. Okay, and what I mean by that is when I write this, the k has to go first. Now, look at the alligator mouth. Do you see how the alligator mouth is opened up to the K?
Mm-hmm.
So it's still got to be opened up to the K. And the -9 behind. Now that it's written in the correct order, I'm ready to do the number line. So -9, right with me. -8, -10. You with me?
Yeah.
Open or closed circle. Solid line under the symbol is going to give me a closed circle. And then I'm going to rewrite my symbol, and it's telling me to shade to the right. So then I'm going to shade to the right.
So,
Everybody's paper should look like mine.
is there?
Yes.
So, see what the K is in? I got the surfboard down there.
Yes, K's here.
So you have to rewrite it with K first, and just make sure the mouth is open. And
Exactly. So I can't leave my answer like this. Can you wait?
I got one of those too.
So I can't leave my answer like this, okay? The K has to be written first. So when you swap the K and the 9, you also have to swap the symbol, okay?
All right.
With me?
Yep.
All right, number 3. Number 3, draw your line. All right, do I need to distribute or combine like terms? Do I have like terms? No. So I'm ready to solve it. I got to decide which y is bigger. Is 7y bigger or 1y? 7y. So this is going to be my y side. This is going to be my number side. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Which y do we need to move?
Y.
1y. How do I move a 1y?
Subtract 1y.
Minus 1y. 7 minus 1 is 6y. And bring everything else down we haven't used yet. All right, now what do I get rid of?
1.
Good, the 1. How do I get rid of a positive 1?
Subtract 1.
Minus 1 on both sides. So 6y less than or equal to -6. Now what? Pick your head up, please.
Would it be
5 by
positive?
6.
Would it be positive since 5y minus 1y is 6, so it would be positive since 2 minus 6 is positive.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
We're subtracting, we're not multiplying. If we were multiplying, yes, it would make it positive. Okay, divide by 6. Y is less than or equal to -6 divided by 6 is
-1.
-1. Good. Okay, it's written in the correct order, so I don't have to swap anything. Then I'm going to do my number line. -1, 0, and -2. Am I going to have it open or a closed dot? Closed. Why?
Because it is less than or equal
So the y.
Solid line under the symbol, solid dot on the graph. Okay. So, like this one right here is open.
I know.
Okay. Okay. Here's my symbol. Please don't. Rewrite the symbol. Turn it to an arrow. And I'm going to shade to the left. Questions? Are you writing with me? Are you? I know how to do it. I need you to know how to do
I
it.
know how to do it.
Just for you.
All right, 4. Draw your line. Number 4 is different. What do I do first? Distribute. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times -5. Good. Greater than 3x. Okay. Which x is bigger?
On the one right.
Good. They're both the same. Okay, so I'm going to minus 3x minus 3x. They both cancel out. Now, this side I'm left with negative 15, greater than. But this side, what number should I have there?
X.
No, they cancel.
It'd be 0.
It would be a 0. My x is canceled. Is negative 15 greater than 0?
No.
No. Is negative 15 greater than 0?
No.
So is this statement true?
No.
No. Uh-oh. Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong? No, I didn't do anything wrong. Negative 15 is not greater than 0. This does not work. So this is going to be, if this is not true, would I have any numbers on the number line that would work in the problem? No, I would have no solution.
Oh, there's our no solution we've been looking for.
No, we haven't.
Yes, we have to look at
No solution. I can't draw anything on the number line because I have no solution. There's no numbers that would work if I plug them in for x and get this side greater than this side. Okay, number 5. Draw your line. Okay, what do I do first? Distribute. Get rid of those parentheses. So 2 times x.
2x.
2x. 2 times negative 2. Negative 4. Less than or equal to. Can I do anything on this side right now?
No.
No, I'm just going to bring it down.
The same thing again.
Okay, which x is bigger, 2x or 2x?
One right side.
It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to take away the 2x's. Both of them cancel. I'm left with negative 4, less than or equal to, negative 2.
And not just in
Is negative 4 less than or equal to negative 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Or it's not
Less
equal.
than.
Negative 4 is less than negative 2, right? Does that work?
Yeah.
Is this true?
Yes.
This works. So what this means is that I could choose any x, negative or positive, any number, plug it in for x, and this answer would be less than this answer. So what would I put for my answer?
1.
Any number would work.
Positive 2.
So just 2 is my answer?
2x.
No, because 2 is not the only
All
number
real
that works.
numbers.
All real numbers. All real numbers.
I just put that weird R.
Sure. All real numbers I could plug in and it would work. Well, what about my number line? What do I do?
Can't.
You can do something.
You can do arrow.
No solution. I couldn't shade anything. What would I do for all real
Shade
numbers?
the whole thing.
Shade the whole thing.
Just say.
Did you? I didn't hear you. Sorry.
You do the whole-
So shade the whole thing because all numbers going any direction, positive or negative, would be a solution.
So there's no x. At all.
Not in the answer. The answer is all real numbers. Any questions about that? You good, Rex?
Oh, yeah.
You're looking a little zoned out there.
Tired? Yeah.
Okay, last one. You guys do number 6. Go. You do number 6. You do number 6. Go. Turn around. Work on number 6.
Stop.
Quiet. Quiet. Which one? Which x is bigger? 4. So minus x minus x 3x plus 3x minus 5 minus 5 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3.
No.
No, that's a 3x. 4 minus 1 is 3x. Yes.
The Derek Eggs goes through.
After.
Already did know.
Sorry. Okay, here we go.
Oh, that's easy.
Which x is bigger, 4x or 1x? 4x. So this is my x side. This is my number side. Which x do I need to move? The 1x. So minus 1x on both sides.
3x.
So 5. 4 minus 1 is 3x. Greater than or equal to 8. Now what? Minus 5 on both sides. 3x greater than or equal to 3.
Divide by 3 on both sides.
Divide by 3. X is greater than or equal to
1.
1. 1, 2, 0. Okay. Open or closed? I can't remember what it was. Closed. Rewrite my symbol and I'm going to shade to the right. Exaggerate your shading. This is my answer. Whoops. There it goes. Questions?
No.
Okay. You guys are going to start on your practice now.